So, what do we got here? Get the package. Ito na inaantay natin. Let's try to open this. So, this just arrived. Ayan na po yung package natin. Let's try to open this. Surprise. Okay, open natin. Hello po. So, good evening. Ito na yung package na dumating sa atin. This has just arrived last Father's Day. So, medyo excited ako dito. And you know what? What is this? Guess what? What is this? This is a Sony WH-1000XM3 wireless headphone. Okay. So, nabili ko siya sa Lazada. Kaya, very excited ako. This is just replacement of my dying headphone. These wired headphones. Yan, papalitan na natin ito. Pero gagamitin pa rin natin siya as a backup. Medyo kasi kailangan natin ng komportable tayo without the wires. Okay, so therefore, let's begin. Let's open this. Let's try to get some scissors para mas madali. Yeah. Without further ado, let's try. Tatry tayo ng unboxing today. Medyo mabilis tayo mag-open. Ayan. So, naka-bubble wrap siya. Yun. Wow. The label has just come out. Sweet thank you. Galing naman. From the seller. Sweet thank you. Okay. So, naka-bubble wrap siya. Everything looks normal. So, sticker pa siya, oh. Continue to open. Sealed in the box. Sealed in the box. Let's just put this aside. What is this? This is a letter coming from the seller, online seller. So maganda rin. Okay. So this is just a order receipt from customer to the seller. May 30 days warranty siya. Okay. This is good. Lagyan natin muna siya dyan. Now, the moment of truth. Let us just open this. Ano ba ang laman nito? Minsan kasi, pag alam nyo na, nagbubukas tayo. Ayaw natin ng... What is that? Masisira yung box. But for me, kailangan sirain ang box. Medyo... Yan. Yun. This is just arrived. Ayun. You see? Tadaan! Black with the gold label. Noise cancelling. Okay. Noise cancelling. Wow. Ganda naman ang box niya. Try to open this. Let us try to open this. Ayan siya. Okay? Ayan dyan. Okay? So, try to open. Dyan. Wow. What do we have on the box? We have a configuration label. Wow, a pouch bag. Very nice. Okay, muna natin siya dito. What is inside? Some manuals. Let's go directly na. Buksan na natin what's inside the box. There it is. Taran, taran. Wow! Ayan po siya. Medyo mali lang yung open ko, pero this is it, guys. I like the matte color black. Okay, so ganyan siya. This one, set aside po natin muna ito. So this is how it goes. Yeah, it's just a very nice headphones. Left, so may label siya right, may label siya dito na left, so hindi ka magkakamali. The paddings are soft. Okay, which is good. So ayun yung kanyang controls. Okay, this is the, I think the charging port. Good, it's good. Lagyan natin dyan. And on the box, this is the charging cable. Ayan siya. Included yung charging cable. And then we have this double adapter, which is actually good kasi during flight magagamit natin ito. Okay, so just put it there. Wow, I like the pouch. So kung nasa sa backpack siya, this one is really handy. It's I think waterproof with a very nice logo of Sony. Some pouch. So let us just put here. Ayan po. So nakita nyo po, we have opened Sony WH-1000XM3 wireless headphones. Okay? Cha-charge muna natin to and then I'll keep you posted. Thank you very much. Bye. So, ayan tayo. Ayan, nakita natin meron siyang kasamang charging cable. It's a USB Type-C. So this one you have to plug in dun sa headphone sa bottom. It should goes here. Okay. Yan po siya. Snug fit. Thick. Perfect. Di po ba? O yun. Let's just sit it there. And then we'll just plug it here sa ating booklet. Okay. So, you notice meron po tayong indicator to say that it's charging. It is red. There. Okay. So, it has to sit here and charge itself. Tayin-tayin natin yan. Okay. I'll keep you posted. Bye. Bye guys. Alright. Let's try this. Let's go and try to see game. The sound is quite nice. Let's get it on.